Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using a Samsung Galaxy device and want a quick way to manage your blocked contacts, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete blocked numbers in just a few minutes. No confusion, no extra apps, just an easy built-in setting you can use anytime. Open the phone application. This is the default app you use for making and receiving calls. Once you're inside, tap on the three-dot more icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to enter your call settings panel. Now scroll down and look for the option labeled Block Numbers. Tap on it, and you will see a full list of all numbers you have previously blocked on your device. Here, you can easily manage your blocked contacts. If you want to remove a number from the block list, simply find it and tap the minus icon or the Remove Unblock option next to it. The system will instantly update, and that number will no longer be restricted from calling or texting you. It's a simple but very useful feature, especially if you manage multiple contacts or accidentally block someone important. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more Samsung tips, Android tricks, and useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.